Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to glam up 2 empty glass bottles. Our bottle art for today will also be Chanel inspired. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at CreaTvDIY for all the details, including tips and tricks, as well as links to my Amazon store where you can purchase some of my favorite arts and crafts tools and materials if you are unable to find them at your local dollar store. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. All the materials were found at Dollar Tree or Dollarama unless otherwise stated. We will need an empty glass bottle. I will be decorating 2 today. For embellishments, we will be using some rhinestone ribbon, which I found on Amazon, some gem stickers, and some loose flat back gems. We will also need some silver beaded necklace available from Dollar Tree, but mine was bought in bulk from Amazon. We will also need some silver and or gold metallic paint, some silver glitter, and some white glitter, which I bought from Hobby Lobby. We will also need some Mod Podge, some tacky glue, and some white glue, all of which will dry clear. And we will also need some hot glue. My hot glue is from Amazon. For our first project, we will be painting one of our glass bottles using custom mixture of silver and gold metallic paint with the silver glitter mixed in. We will need to apply 2 to 3 generous coats of the paint, waiting about 20 minutes in between the first and second coat. While the paint dries from the first bottle, we will cut out a Chanel logo, which we will use later to trace onto our decor pieces. The Chanel logo that I'm using is an image that I printed off the internet. Once the paint has fully dried from the first bottle, use a pencil to lightly trace the outline of the Chanel logo to the center of one side of the bottle. Next, apply the small gem stickers to the bottle in the shape of the Chanel logo, creating a border for the letters. Then we combine some silver glitter into some Mod Podge and mix thoroughly. We then use a paintbrush to paint the mixture onto the bottle inside the letters of the Chanel logo. Once the Mod Podge mixture dries, then apply the larger round gem stickers inside the Chanel logo. Then fill in the letters with the larger gem stickers. Next, use the tip of your paintbrush to apply some tacky glue in a vertical manner from the top of the bottle down about 30% of the length of the bottle. Then we adhere a row of small pearl stickers onto the glue. Continue this process until you have several vertical lines of pearl stickers applied. You will notice that I'm applying the subsequent rows of pearls slightly lower and slightly higher. Then, using some hot glue, apply the rhinestone ribbon around the rim of the bottle opening. Repeat for the bottom part of the bottle as well. At this point, I decide that we need to add more glam to the bottle, so I add some additional rows of small gem stickers in between the rows of vertical pearls. For our second bottle, we will be applying Mod Podge to 70% of the bottle from bottom up. Then we will sprinkle a generous amount of silver glitter onto the Mod Podge, making sure that an even application of silver glitter. Once the first application is done, you will need to wait several hours for it to dry before repeating the process for a second application of glitter. The final step is to apply Mod Podge to set all the glitter into place. Once the silver glitter is set, we then apply Mod Podge to the remaining 30% of the bottle from the opening down. Then we sprinkle white glitter onto the Mod Podge. Repeat the same process, ending with a final layer of Mod Podge to set the glitter into place. Next, use a pencil to trace the Chanel logo to the center of the bottle on one side. Then apply the small pearl stickers to the outside border of the Chanel logo. Then fill the inside of the Chanel logo with larger pearl stickers. Next, we embellish the bottom edge of the bottle and the section where the white and silver glitter meet with some gem stickers. We also use some hot glue to adhere a string of silver beaded necklace around the opening rim of the bottle. And for extra glam, I decide to insert a silver napkin ring to the mouth of the bottle as well. And there you have it. Our 5 Chanel-inspired glam table decor pieces are completed. Look how beautiful they are. They can either be placed together on a single table, or you can spread them across your fireplace mantle. Comment down below and let me know which decor piece is your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.